Well, hello there. Okay, so this is what you're going to get when you first sign up, and you've already made your payment and all that. It's going to tell you how to get your 3 credit report for $1 for 7 days. It's pretty intuitive. Let you know what you're doing. Just order this because you're going to need this the entire time. Credit Karma doesn't work. Credit Sesame doesn't work because it doesn't give you all three. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in here and log into your portal. All right, so we're logged into our portal now, or we're going to log into our portal. I had to hit the system because I have several accounts that I test on. I'm always testing this software. So here we go, we logged in. And right from the start, this is where we're going to put in our monitoring information. So it's identity IQ. So we're going to save our login info. And now here's where you're going to need to sign the paperwork. I can't start anything until you have this finished. It's just all the legal stuff. It says your rights, my rights. And then it'll ask you to sign. So you just left click on the mouse. Sign it. I agree. And you might get 2 or 3 of those. So depending on which service you have. So here it's asking us for our social security card, our utility bill, and our driver's license. This is your portal. This is your main portal. So what it's going to do is you're going to have to put this in. And if you don't have it, it's okay. This just kind of helps the process along so that the bureaus know exactly who you are, that you're actually who you say you are. So we're just going to get the file. We're going to scan them down. You can take a picture on your phone, and we're going to browse for it. Just remember where you put it. And we're going to select our social security card and hit click here to save. As you see, it automatically removes what isn't needed. That's where we'll upload our utility bill. If you don't have a utility bill, again, it's not the end of the world. Just continue on. We're going to upload our driver's license. All this information is in a secure 2048-bit encrypted server. All right, so this is showing you what's remaining, whatnot. And this is just sample data. It's just real quick sample data. So if you click on look at your report, so what we're going to do is we're going to import it. So start your import. If all the information is correct, it'll automatically upload all of your report information. And we have like 4 or 5 that we can use. And again, Credit Sesame and Credit Karma are not 2 that we can use. So here it'll tell you exactly what your information is and what your credit scores are. So what we're going to do is we're going to create the dispute letters. So you can see here, the red ones are the bad ones. So we're going to go down and we're going to choose validation letters. Then we're going to check off these. We're going to type in exactly why we want it. So generally it's validate on the first one. So I'm going to copy that just to paste it down below and make it easier for me. So we're going to select all. We're going to go up here. We're going to go create our letters. And there you go. There's your letters. So let's view one of them. And this one, you want to save the address of the company because you're going to need this for your envelope. In a later tutorial, I'll show you how to get these done electronically. They cost about anywhere from 92 cents to $1.05 to send off electronically. You don't even have to get paper, ink, nothing. and it automatically sends everything off for you. So that's in it in a nutshell. Just to get started, just go to our website, sign up, and you're good to go. And there you go. So it'll keep you informed for the next 30 days. Good luck.